Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you how you can create a no-go zone, virtual wall or no-move zone, and there we have the MOVA P50 Ultra. In the first step we have to select the robot from the application, then click on the enter. Now tap on the edit map icon and go to the no-go zone virtual wall. Then select anything that you want to add. The no-go zone and no-move zone works very similar, so we can just add the square. You can resize it by the right bottom corner, rotate it, or change the position by just holding it and drag in any position. Then click on the accept icon to save it, and we have a no-go zone. If you want to set up the virtual wall the same way, click on the virtual wall, and now you can manually just set it on your map. Then tap on the accept, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.